Are you tired of trying weight loss supplements that just don't work? Stay tuned to discover the truth about Mitolyn and why it might be the game changer you've been looking for. Hey everyone, welcome to NutrizLab. Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive review of Mitolyn, a weight loss supplement that's been making waves. Make sure to visit our website, linked in the description, for detailed product reviews and a wide range of health and beauty articles to support your wellness goals. Weight loss can be a daunting journey, especially with so many products promising miraculous results. But how do you know which ones actually work? In this video, we'll explore Mitolyn, its potential effects, pricing, and whether it's the right choice for you. Mitolyn is a dietary supplement designed to aid in weight loss by suppressing appetite and boosting metabolism. It's marketed as a natural solution for those struggling to shed extra pounds without drastic dietary changes. The supplement comes in easy-to-swallow capsules, making it convenient for daily use. Mitolyn contains a blend of natural ingredients known for their weight loss benefits. Let's break down each ingredient and its role. Garcinia cambogia. This tropical fruit extract is renowned for its appetite-suppressing properties. It contains hydroxycitric acid, HCA, which helps reduce cravings and prevent fat storage. Green tea extract. Rich in antioxidants, green tea extract boosts metabolism and promotes fat burning. It also provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters associated with caffeine. Caffeine anhydrous, a concentrated form of caffeine that increases energy levels and enhances focus. It helps you stay active and motivated throughout the day. L-theanine, an amino acid found in tea leaves. L-theanine helps reduce stress and improve mood. It works synergistically with caffeine to provide a calm, focused energy. Black pepper extract, also known as piperine. This ingredient enhances the absorption of other nutrients, making the formula more effective. Let's break down the pros and cons of Mitolyn. Pros: effective weight loss, helps suppress appetite and boost metabolism, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Natural ingredients: contains well-known natural weight loss ingredients that are safe and effective. FDA approved, ensures safety and quality, giving you peace of mind. Money back guarantee, risk-free purchase with a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the results. Cons: stock issues. Mitolyn is often out of stock, making it hard to purchase when you need it. Fake websites. Many cloned websites can lead to scams, so it's crucial to buy from the official site. Mitolyn is manufactured by a reputable company known for its commitment to quality and safety. The product is produced in FDA-approved facilities and follows good manufacturing practices, GMP, ensuring that each bottle meets high standards. This means you can trust that you're getting a product that is both safe and effective. So, is Mitolyn worth it? In my opinion, if you're looking to shed some extra pounds, Mitolyn is definitely worth a try. With its proven effectiveness and money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Just remember to use the official website to ensure you're getting the genuine product. To sum up, Mitolyn offers a promising solution for weight loss by curbing cravings and boosting metabolism. It's safe, effective, and comes with a money-back guarantee. But be cautious of fake websites and stock availability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to NutrizLab for more reviews and health tips. Check out our website for more valuable resources and expert insights. Thanks for watching.